Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to create chatbot flows in ManyChat for e-commerce. Now first thing you got to do is to log into your ManyChat. Then go to Automation tab. Then click New Automation and then select AI powered Flow Builder, or you can start from scratch. The Flow Builder is a visual canvas where you will design the conversion path. So building the flow, you'll need to start with the trigger, then write a welcome message, then product browsing, order tracking, customer support, coupons and promotions, data collection, and then testing. Once you're done with all of these aspects, then you have created a chatbot flow in ManyChat. Thanks for watching.